Yo, what's up, everyone? Yeah, welcome back. If you're watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe. So, in today's video, guys, be doing a market breakdown with you guys. Yeah, we're preparing for the week ahead. So, let's get started. So, on the screen, guys, we're having DXY. We use DXY, guys, to look at the strength of a dollar, guys. We're using DXY mainly to reference all the pairs that have USD inside. So, there's no much to discuss about here. What I mean, we can all agree that the price has to fill this gap here that it left. So the reason why it has to fill a market structure started here, ended here, meaning the price has to complete the market structure, meaning this movement from here, even this side, it has to be completed. So how are we gonna continue pushing to the upside when it comes to DXY? So I believe that we have unmitigated order block here, of which the order block has a huge imbalance, a fair value gap. Let me try to show you the imbalance. We have a huge imbalance here, guys. So I think this order block here, the price is gonna come and mitigate it and continue pushing to the upside. So the way in which the price is gonna come here, I think it's gonna come impulsively. The reason why I'm saying it's gonna come impulsively is that now we're in a correctional phase. Look, we're at first impulse here. Now correctional phase, I believe that the price is gonna push impulsively to the downwards. And remember that I don't like entering the market when the price comes to mitigate the order block impulsively. But other than that, I think if the price is gonna come impulsively here, the price will be creating a nice continuation pattern, a nice larger continuation pattern, something like this, guys. I think it will be safe for us to trade this one even if the price comes impulsively. Or if I, or if something like this doesn't happen, it comes like this, it would be a bonus to us. But then if it comes impulsively, it's safe for us to enter. Why is it safe? Will be on our third touch. We have a first touch here, second touch, and then here it's our third touch. And we all know that third touch has high probability of changing the direction. So the price from here, I think it will start pushing to the upside. But for now, we just have to wait and see what the price tells us what to do. But now it's safe to say we're in a correctional phase. So this one we're not gonna trade it, guys. We'll be using it when it comes to USD pairs, guys. But then I believe that if you can follow DXY when trading USD pairs, especially Euro USD, guys, you won't go wrong, guys. Yeah. So I think I'm done with DXY, guys. I don't know if I have much to discuss here, but then if you have a question, you can comment, guys. I will answer you. The next pair that I'll be looking for is AUD card. So with AUD card, guys, similar to DXY actually. So the structure is the same. We have this nice Falcon structure here. Now we believe that the price has to come and fill this gap again. So there's so much money to be made around here. But then the question is, where are we gonna enter to make that money that is lying here? So how will we go about that? I'm gonna zoom on the current price, guys. So before zooming on the current price, guys, I just wanna show you in which nature of the market are we in. So we believe that the price moves in a series of an impulse, correction, and impulse. So it's safe for us to say we're in a correctional phase. So since we're in a correctional phase, we anticipate the next impulsive phase. So the other thing why I believe that the price is gonna push to the upside is this nice head and shoulder pattern. I know that it might not be that nice, but then I think we have a head and shoulder pattern of which our neckline is somewhere here, but then not always the neckline is gonna be in the middle. So this one, our neckline is somewhere around here. Gonna take this one like this. This is our neckline. I believe that the price is gonna push to the upside. So now let's go to 1 hour time frame to see what's happening inside this continuation pattern. So when it comes to this continuation pattern, guys, we have unmitigated order block here. So even though that we're targeting a 90% rule on the bigger structure there, even inside this smaller channel, guys, I would say this pattern here, we still have a 90% to reach. So again, I would repeat that there's money to be made here. The question is where to enter. So if I may go with this one, guys, I'm going to include SMC when it comes to this one. So guys, remember that first continuation pattern has high probability of playing out. Suppose that the price give us continuation pattern here or entering. This one, it will have a higher probability of pushing the price to the upside. So let's forget about that. Now I want to speak about SMC when it comes to this pair. So the price has been pushing to the downwards, breaking those previous lows, guys. We can all agree about that. So the price changed character here, of which it came to mitigate this order block. Now the price took out this high here, made this new order block here. So with this order block, I actually did, my order block actually starts here, but then I took 50% of it, guys, and let it be somewhere around here because of the order block was so large. So I just have to reduce or you just have to improve your risk to reward ratio when it comes to order blocks. Not all order blocks are gonna work again, but then remember that when it comes to order block, you have to refine them into 50%, guys. Yeah. So now this order block, it has not yet been mitigated. I believe that if the price it were to come somewhere like something like this, I'm gonna take this one to the upside. But then if something like this it doesn't happen, remember that I said first continuation pattern, guys, has high probability of playing out. So meaning we're waiting for two entries here, meaning the Falcon entry of which it's gonna be here and the SMC entry when it comes to mitigating this order block here. So I think I'm done with a UD CAD, guys. Let's focus on some other pair. The next pair is gonna be GBP JPY. So with GBP JPY, again, even here, there's no much to discuss. We first look at the direction on a higher time frame. You can go to 4 hour. You can all agree that the direction is to the upside. So when the direction is to the upside, we now later look at the nature of the market. Nature of the market, are we in an impulsive or are we in a correctional phase? Okay, right now I would say we're in a correctional phase. The reason I'm saying we're in a correctional phase, I'm gonna take this one as a larger from here as a larger impulse. Then now we're in a correctional phase. So even if I would take this one impulse, correction, impulse, I think now the price is in a correctional phase and then we're gonna anticipate the next impulsive move there. So this one, our entry, I think we're gonna have SMC and Falcon entry. The reason I'm saying we're gonna have SMC and Falcon entry, we have unmitigated order block here, of which we're targeting the buy positions when it comes to this one. So if the price is gonna continue creating this nice Falcon pattern here, I think our SMC and Falcon entries will be both met here. So if the price gives me something like this, let's say comes here, continuation pattern, and then it reaches here, I would know that right here I will be having SMC and Falcon entry, where the first touch here, second touch, this is the third touch. So our entry here, buy, then continue pushing to the upside one. We're targeting the next high then, order block below, stop loss. So another thing, guys, you can refine your order blocks into those smaller time frame, or you can take entries on a smaller time frame. But then for me it's fine because I don't have much to discuss here, as long as I see the direction of the market. We need to trade in the direction of the market. Now we're pushing to, we're in an uptrend, so it's more likely for buy positions to play out than the sell positions. Guys, remember that you need to make the trend your friend. So the next pair I'm having USD cat. So USD cat, guys, I think I was saving this one from last week. So again, guys, movement here, we were in a downtrend. Now I would say we're in a bit uptrend, even though the price moves slow. Then if we can see what was happening previously, the price has been breaking those previous lows, pushing to the downward. Then I know that we have unmitigated order block, or the price it has recently mitigated this order block here. But then for me, I don't want to take this one as an order block. The reason why is that the price, if you can look at the direction from here, I would say we've been pushing to the upside. Look what was happening from here. I think from here, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. I'm anticipating the price to mitigate this order block and continue pushing to the upside. Remember, guys, there are two scenarios. You need to have a buy and a sell positions every time when you analyze. If you only see one thing, guys, you're gonna be surprised when the other one happens. But then for me, I need to look at the buys and the sell so that anything that happens, I won't be surprised. So how I'll be taking this one, guys? Suppose Suppose the price breaks out of this continuation pattern. You can see how it broke here. We can agree that it wasn't enough for us to take a buy position here because of the price only broken with the wick or with the tail. So if the price were to break out there, guys, with a full body, I'll be taking a buy position to the top. Actually, I mean somewhere around here. Let me mark this one as a horizontal ray. I believe that the price is gonna continue pushing to the upside. So if the price were to give us a Falcon entry here with this nice continuation pattern, we're taking a buy position there. But then remember, this one is a Falcon A entry. Now we have to look at the SMC entry. SMC entry is something that could happen around here. But then remember, the price hasn't broken this high here with a body. We can all agree that the price broken this high here with the wicks. So suppose the price broken out of this channel with a body, and then later on it comes to mitigate this order block here, then that's when I would be ready to take an SMC entry. But then for now, I would stick with the Falcon entry, guys. I would stick with the Falcon entry when it comes to this one here. We're taking this one to the upside, guys. Yeah, I think I discussed USD enough. So the next pair, it will be USD ZAR. USD ZAR again, it has been pushing to the upside bit by bit. Look how much is a South African dollar, guys. It's actually 19 rand. From when? Let me see. Became 19. December last year, we were on 18 rand. Now we're on 19 rand, and I believe that it's still gonna push to the upside and fill this gap right here. Believe that the price is gonna fill this gap, or also this one right here. The reason why I'm saying that we had this nice market structure here, even though it's not that nice, but then I know that this market structure needs to be completed, which is this gap right here needs to be completed. So now it's fine. Let's continue with the entry mode that we're looking for. Looking for SMC entry here, take this one to the upside, or we're looking for Falcon entry. If the price breaks out of this channel, it's safe to take the entry here. But then when it comes to risk to reward ratio, guys, it won't be balancing. So this one, our entry is gonna be here, and then we target here, which is not enough for us to put a stop loss here. But then suppose we get something like this, guys, entry being here, stop loss here, targeting here would be having a ratio of 1:4. So we should be looking for SMC entry here rather than Falcon entry because of a risk to reward ratio is balancing on the SMC entry than Falcon entry, guys. So the next two pairs, guys, they already played out. I just wanna update you when it comes to those two pairs. So AUDUSD, I did the analysis with you. Go watch my previous videos, guys. You will find this one. I shared this one even on Monday. I did a screenshot of this one. I shared it with you guys. So this one I opened three positions and then I left one. So two positions they already closed. I locked my profit somewhere around here on the two positions. I'm left with one position. One position I only left. I've only closed after my a ratio of 1:1, meaning from here up until here, it's a small move. I think I locked to somewhere around here. I'm still involved in this position with one trade, guys. So I locked to somewhere around here, still running. So if the price were to reverse like here, I know that it's a larger continuation pattern that the price is creating right now. But then I'm not gonna open a new position here, guys. I already made something out of this one, guys. The last pair that I wanna update on it is gold, guys. I think gold reached my take profit, guys. I shared the analysis with you. I analyzed gold with you, guys. There's a video that I did with you last week, you guys. Go watch my previous videos. You'll find this one. So there were multiple entries, but then for us, we managed to catch this Falcon entry here. I knew that the first continuation pattern will have higher probability of pushing the price to the upside. So look, we had a first continuation pattern outside the channel, hence I took the position here. Now the price hit my take profit, guys. Yeah. So when it comes to gold and AUD USD, guys, I already made money out of these positions. But then for you, since I analyze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, since I analyze 5 pairs with you guys, you can make money out of this video, guys. We have 5 positions to make money. I'm not saying all of them they're gonna play out, and then these are not analysis, guys. You need to analyze on your own and then watch my videos after. Don't watch my videos and then go to analyze. Analyze on your own, watch the videos, and then if you have any question, you can contact me at any time, guys. Yeah. So thank you all for watching this video, guys. I hope you will get value out of it, and then I hope that you're gonna kill the market next week. As I'm also ready to kill the market, guys. A lot of positions they look ready that they will play out, guys. Yeah. So if you want mentorship, guys, you can contact me on Telegram and even on Instagram, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.